My name is Lakota Holder, and I'm a Regional Service Sales Director, and I've had the privilege of working here for 8 years. We are honored to work so closely with countless businesses in our communities that are essential to keeping us moving during the COVID-19 crisis. Forklift operators are on the front lines of these businesses, ensuring that we get the food, masks, and goods that we need. This is why we are excited to announce the brand new Forklift Sanitization Program to help protect them and keep our businesses moving. The Bailey Company is offering 2 options for this Forklift Sanitization Program. A full-service program where a trained technician will be dispatched to your location to sanitize equipment. The other option is our on-the-go Forklift Sanitization Kit, where operators can clean equipment themselves in between each shift. COVID-19, along with other viruses, have proven to be unpredictable and invasive. This is why it is important to sanitize daily as well as schedule deep cleans to keep your employees safe. It is imperative to keep our forklift operators safe, as they are the front lines of our economy and crucial to keeping our businesses running safely and smoothly.